Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Linux command. Today we will explore kill command in Linux, a versatile tool for managing processes. We will learn how it works and see the real world example on Linux. Let's get started. Let's see the manual page for kill command. Despite its name, the kill command does not always mean ending a process. It's actually a way to send a signal to a process to control their behavior. Let's see this in action by working with some running process. To begin with, let's terminate the process gracefully. We use SIGTERM. This is a default signal which asks the process to shut down cleanly. First, let's start a long running process. I have created a simple script to simulate one. Let me copy that script. I created a script with a long script.sh. We'll give execute permission for this. We have given the execute permission for the script. Let's run this script by /long script. We'll run this script in a background. job-l. You can see the script is running. Now let's find the PID for the process using a job-l, or you can also check with ps aux grep. You can give the file name script. It will display the process running with 3894 PID file. Now let me kill this. I will give the PID kill space PID enter. If the process supports it, the SIGTERM allow it to exit gracefully, releasing the resource properly. Check if it gone with a ps command. It has been gone. Gracefully it has been shut down. This is, we have searched for the grep. It has generated the PID for the grep. So ignore this. And also check with the jobs job-l. There is no any job running in a background. So the next option is forcefully terminating the process. What if the process does not respond to the SIGTERM? That's where SIGKILL comes in. It forces the process to terminate immediately. Let's start the process once again. The process is running. So assume that this process is not getting terminated cleanly with the kill command. So what I will do, I will use -9. This will define a SIGKILL, means this sends a SIGKILL signal which stop the process without giving a chance to clean up. Immediately it get killed. You'll notice that the process is instantly removed from the process list using this signal. Use this signal consciously, as it can lead to a data loss if used improperly. Next, let's talk about reloading configuration without restarting the process. For this, we use SIGHUP. For this, I need to install some application, like let's install Apache. I think Apache is already installed. Let me check that. Systemctl status. Yeah, service is installed. Apache is installed. Service is also running. Let me check the process. ps aux grep httpd. To reload Apache configuration without stopping the server, we use kill -1 and provide the PID. Replacing the PID with the PID of the process Apache process. This is especially useful in production environment where you need to apply changes without affecting the active users. As of now, there is no any such process. Let's check the process PID. We have restarted. We have sent signal to 1338. After that, the PID has been updated to 3919. Let's see the next option, pausing and resuming the process. If you want to pause a process temporarily, we use SIGSTOP and SIGCONT. So let's see the example. For that, I have created a script, log script.sh. I have given a permission to it. Let's see the script. It create a file with respect to the date. It create a file output.log and continuously it will append the data, that is the date, into it. This is for testing, pausing and resuming the process. So let me take one more access of this terminal. Let me split this. So left hand side I will run this script and right hand side of my terminal will check the logs. Okay, I have tailed this log. Let me run this script. I have given the execute permission so that I can run // and the script name and give enter. Once I enter, here you can see at the right hand my side, it is continuously creating a log file. So for that, what I will do, let me check, let me exit this. So here we are getting the logs continuously. Let me take another access just to show you. Like I want to check ps-ef grep, give the script name. Here you can see this is the PID of the script. I will send kill -19 and give the PID. So here you can see it has been stopped now. After 48 millisecond, we are not getting anything. And here you can see this process has been stopped. Now what I will do, I will resume it using kill -18 and give the PID. Here you can see again it started writing a log files. This is how we can resume where it left off, and the new timestamp are appended to the log file as you can see here. Why I have used this script? This approach provides a clear, tangible effects of pausing and resuming the process. The real-time logs updated, halting and resuming the visual reinforce this concept. When paused, tail-f stops this log, stop showing a new log, indicating the process has been halted. When resumed, the timestamp continue as if the script was working all along. Let's see. Let me kill this. we need to check the process ID, use sudo. The command was correct, but I have not used sudo. Now you can see this has been stopped. It is not updated. And also you can check ps-ef grep log script. Here you can see this PID is for I have tailed the log file, and this is for the grep which I have done just now, but the process has been killed. So let's see the next one, checking the process status. You can check with -i0, as this was the process which I have killed. If it is killed, it will show no such process. Let's see the another example. Go to this terminal. So here you can see first we have stopped, later we have killed with kill space -9. So let's see the system systemctl status. HTTP, it is working or not. Yes, it is running. So now what I will do, let me check this process is already running. So we can check ps-pseux grep httpd kill-0 and give the PID of HTTPD service. If the process is running, there will be no any output. You can cross verify with this. There will be no any output. If it is not, you will see an error message. Here we have not received any error message. I have checked HTTP service is running. That's why we did not receive any error message, and we did not received any kind of message as well. Not an error or not any message. This way kill-0 we can use. Managing the process by using pkill and kill all. Instead of using PID, you can manage the process by name with pkill or kill all. To demonstrate, HTTP service is running. Instead of using all the PIDs, what I can do, I can run pkill followed by the process name and check the PS, the process is not running. Or to stop all the process with the same name, you can use kill all as well. Let me start first. I started the process. Now we can use kill all followed by process name. Like this, these commands are simpler when dealing with multiple process, especially in automated script. And that's how you will master the kill command in Linux, from graceful termination to force shutdown and configuration reload. Kill is a must-known tool for managing the process effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.